Hey guys, it's Jack, and yes, you said it, we're doing hip-hop lessons again, because last time it was really messed up. This time, we're not going to do a combo, we're just going to do a song and just, you know, flow through it. So let's get for the warm-up. Start. Ready? Let's touch our toes. We're going to do that 10 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're gonna jump. 4, 6, 8, 8, 8, 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. More time. 8 jumping jacks to the front. 4 to the front. 4 side. Continue. We're jumping jacks now. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Jumping jacks forever. Too far up. Ready? Slowly reach down. Hold it there. Alright, go down, butterfly stretch. So basically what it is put your legs out, put this one in like this, and put the leg out. In, leg out, and put your feet together. It's not this, it's this. Reach down, on your stinky feet. When you do, come up. Again. Okay. We're going to go in our splits. Let's go to Russian split. 5. I, for one, am really good at this. Done. Okay. Ready? We're going to go. Ready? Step. Left. Step. With the jump. So do it faster. Let's try it. Stop. Ready? We're going to do hop rounders. Squeeze the leg round. Up hand. Up over. Jump. Okay. Now what we're going to do is across the floor. We're going to do jump, jump, jump to the side. Then we're going to clap, jump, jump, jump to the other side. Ready? To the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops. Alright, ready? I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 of them. Alright, ready? Then we're going to go step, step, slide, heel. Ready? We're going to do that twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Time to get to our dance. Ready? We're going to do this. And I suggest doing this dance 1 or twice. It gets your energy up, it gets your blood pumping, and I'd say it's a really good song. Where's it? Where'd it go? Ready? Just follow as I yell out what to do. Where's it? Sorry. I lost it. There it is. Alright, ready? We're just gonna go for a light skip. Ready? We're skipping in the park. And go. When he starts to say jump, 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 you jump. Ready? We're gonna get clap. We're gonna skip and fly. Ready? We're gonna see jumping. Jump! Ready? We're gonna and clap and skip and clap and skip and. Ready? We're gonna go. Clap. I'll give a warm up. Heavy grinders. Ready? You wanna do split? Split. Step. Stop. 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 Again. Ready? Then jump. And we're gonna jump. Ready? We're gonna go jump out, jump in, jump out, cross. And go again. Ready? And go. Turn and go. Go again. Keep it as a circle. Jump again. Jump. Jump forever. Jump. Ready? We're gonna do bell jumps. We need to front and back. And steer jumps side to side. Bell jumps. Steer jumps. Ready? One each. Ready? One. 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 Sorry, chat, that I'm in the video. It's okay. We're gonna jump. Just jump forever. And the blood pumping. Come on. Big test tomorrow. You gotta get your blood pumping. Our big test soon. Ready? Take a rest. And this is all your ladies. All the ladies just jump forever. Ready? Come on. Every lady jump. When it says bells jump. Ready? Listen carefully. Just jump. Ready? We're gonna take jump. Turn. Can jump. Ready? We're gonna have high knee. Ready? Hands stay in place. You can bend down a little, but the hands stay in place. Hit your knee to your hands, but your hands stay in place. Ready? Jump with it. Okay. Wiggle it out. Either way, whichever way you want. Body roll. Good job, guys. I'm gonna do my God. One more thing. If I can find it. Hopefully I can. Because it's really fun. I think you guys will like it. Funny. Ethan. Yeah? Don't tell them. Don't tell them. I'll tell them when it starts, okay, guys? I can't tell you right now. Alright, go on your start. They'll know it when they hear it. But I'm not going to dance, okay? Aww. You recognize it? It's the chicken dance. Stop your wings. Wait. Don't do one. Have a partner and skip around. Other way. Make sure you have a partner. Other way. Ready? We're going to do jumping jacks. I don't know why. Ready? Again. At the end you'll like it. For boys, I think you'll like it most of all. And people who like to go fast. We're going to slow-mo. Moonwalk. Moonwalk, moonwalk, moonwalk. I'm moon running. Ready? Your beaks ready? Exercise your beaks. Ready? Here it comes. Right. Don't follow me, guys. So back. Feet open, flat, and then butt shake. Ready? Partner, other way. Other way. Other way. One more time, go. Ready? Ready, guys? Let's see what I mean by fast. Good job, good job. Let me sit somewhere else, ready? Hope you guys enjoyed these fun exercises, and I hope you watched. Subscribe!